Yeah, hello students from 7A and 7B. How are you? I hope you are doing well. This is the first video in science. I think we stopped by this subject, digestion and absorption. I'm trying to make longer videos, but I'm sorry, really, I'm restricted to 10 minutes. This is how long I can make each video. That's why my videos are all very short, but I hope they are enough, just in case somebody's asking why the videos are so small. So, from now on, I shall also upload science videos, also math, not only science and math. So, today lesson is in book 8. I think we start by 2.3 digestion and absorption, page 22. The objective of our subject today. First, what is the alimentary canal? This is important to know. What is an alimentary canal, what is good for, what is the function of the alimentary canal, and what is it is consist of. And you have to make difference between alimentary canal and digestive system. They are very close together, but the alimentary canal is a part of the digestive system, and we shall see that in the common topics. Today's topics only we shall stick to the alimentary canal and what is the alimentary canal good for. Second, what's a molecule? What's a molecule? We shall see what's a molecule. And third, the difference between digestion and absorption. What's a digestion and what's an absorption? Okay, so you can see for my objectives what's important for me in this subject. Important for me in this subject is what's alimentary canal, what it consists of, and what is the molecule, and what is the difference between digestion and absorption. These are the three things which is very important for me to know in this subject. We shall take them one by one. So now, what is the alimentary canal? The alimentary canal is a long tube that starts with the mouth and end up with the anus. This is the mouth, okay, and this is the esophagus, and then the stomach, small intestine, and the large intestine, and the anus is here. So starts with the mouth, end up with the anus, and all these parts which I named now, they are part of the alimentary canal, which are mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and the large intestine, and the anus. All these things I named are parts of the alimentary canal. Again, the alimentary canal consists of the mouth, esophagus. Where's the esophagus? This one. This is the segment, the distance between the mouth to the stomach. This is all called the esophagus. Stomach, small intestine. Where the small intestine? This one is the small intestine, and this one is the big intestine, and then come the anus. Okay, this is very important to know in this subject. What are the alimentary canal consist of? It consists of these parts here. Okay, this is one. In the future, we shall study each part have its own function and what it's doing. So what the mouth do, what the esophagus do, what the stomachs do, what happens in the small intestine, and what happens in the large intestine. This is coming in the future topics. But only for this subject today, you have to know what is the alimentary canal parts. Okay, now we go to the what is the molecule. The human body needs food. Vitamins, protein, starch, but mostly we need food that give us energy, like protein and starch and fat. These are found in large molecules. So these large molecules, when they go in the stomach, so that it can be transported to the blood, because the blood is responsible to take this food to each cell in the body. They cannot be transported as big molecules. They have to turn or to break down into small molecules. This is done first by the mouth, cut the food into small pieces, and then it goes to the stomach, and the process of making these large molecules to small molecules is continuing from the mouth. Each part, the mouth make very big pieces of food to small pieces of food, and then in the stomach it's gonna be made also even more smaller and more smaller until we have a molecule. What's a molecule? Is the tiniest particle of a nutrient substance, from protein or starch or fat. Only then this tiniest particle can go through the walls of the alimentary canal to the blood. Only then, when it is a small molecule, can be transported through the walls to the blood so that it can be transported to the other parts of the body. Difference between digestion and absorption. There are two operations, they are very important, so that to bring nutrients to the cells of the body. Which one is first? Of course, digestion is first, and then the absorption. Because by digesting, we are breaking down the large molecules, now we know what's molecules, into smaller ones, so that it can be transported through the walls of the alimentary canal, so that it can be easier to be absorbed. It can be easier to be absorbed. Absorbed from what? From the alimentary canal walls to the blood. Second, absorption. This is the molecules going through the walls of the alimentary canal to the body cells. So it's important to know which operation is first, what is digestion and what is absorption. And this is the body part again, from mouth and esophagus and so on. Homework, I need you to make the exercise 2.3. It is in page 19. It's very easy. It is just like crossword. You know, you have only to make a definition, write the clause for these crosswords. So back to the first one, absorption. What's absorption? You write only the definition of absorption. The second one, where is it? 1, 2, what is molecule? And you write only the definition of molecule, and so on. This is in page 19. And also I shall upload, this is not in your book, this is extra. I shall upload a worksheet 2.3. It's called Digesting Protein. This worksheet is made of, I think, 6 or 7 questions, but really they are very test relevant and they are very important. Try to write them in your copybook, these 7 questions. Try to answer them, okay? Try to answer them. They are very easy. Try to answer them, and if you don't know, in per days I shall upload the answers also on my website. Okay? Till next time, I wish you a happy day and see you next time. Thank you very much.